Welcome to Quiz XYZ. Can you identify 45 animals? Test your knowledge and prove you're a true wildlife enthusiast with this quiz. Let's start with the easy level. Can you guess the first animal? A horse, a yak, a donkey? Yes, it's a horse. A wild boar, a pig, a warthog? That's right, a pig. A goat, a sheep, a deer? Well played, it's a sheep. A goose, a duck, a chicken? Great job, a chicken. A dog, a wolf, a weasel? Nice, a dog. A weasel, a marmot, a rabbit? Great job, a rabbit. A reindeer, a kangaroo, a deer? Very good, a reindeer. A wolf, a hyena, a fox? Yes, it's a fox. A bear, a buffalo, a yak? Very good, a bear. A panther, a cat, a white tiger? Well played, it's a cat. A hippopotamus, an elephant, a rhinoceros? Great job, an elephant. A kangaroo, an antelope, a giraffe? Very good, a giraffe. A tiger, a cheetah, a lion? Yes, it's a lion. A buffalo, a bull, a cow? Nice, a cow. A donkey, a horse, a zebra? Great job, a zebra. Medium level, time to step up your game. A chimpanzee, an orangutan, a gorilla? Well played, it's a gorilla. A goose, a swan, a dove? Yes, it's a swan. A sloth, a koala, a panda? Well, a koala. A crocodile, an iguana, a Komodo dragon? Nice, a crocodile. A gecko, a frog, a toad? Great, a frog. A turtle, a tortoise, a gecko. Nice, a tortoise. An orca, a dolphin, a shark. Great job, a dolphin. A buffalo, an impala, a wildebeest. Good, a wildebeest. A mole, a raccoon, a weasel. Great job, a mole. A mouse, a shrew, a rat. That's right, a rat. A marmot, a beaver, a ferret. Well played, it's a beaver. A whale, a shark, an orca. Yes, it's a shark. A scorpion, a lobster, a crab. That's right, a scorpion. A squirrel, a rabbit, a hamster. Very good, a squirrel. A hippopotamus, a rhinoceros, an elephant. Great job, a hippopotamus. No holding back, it's the hard level. A leopard, a jaguar, a tiger. Yes, it's a tiger. A chameleon, a gecko, a salamander. Great job, a chameleon. A koala, a sloth, a marmoset. Yes, it's a sloth. A snake, a worm, an eel. Perfect, an eel. A hedgehog, a mole, a hamster. Nice, a hedgehog. A shark, a whale, an orca. Great job, a whale. A camel, a donkey, a llama. That's right, a llama. An ostrich, a peacock, a goose. Great job, an ostrich. A puffin, a penguin, a sea lion. Great, a penguin. An orangutan, a chimpanzee, a macaque. Yes, it's an orangutan. A seal, a sea lion, a walrus. That's right, a seal. A lobster, a crab, a shrimp. Perfect, a lobster. A duck, a platypus, a beaver. Well played, it's a platypus. A raccoon, an opossum, a meerkat. Great, a meerkat. A narwhal, an orca, a shark. Great job, an orca. Pick your next challenge, and make sure to like and subscribe the channel. See you again.